IoT stands for Interoperability Testing, and this means a rigorous and predefined set of test cases and procedures that are run between different devices, different networks, and different IP communication service components. The benefits of IoT to operators and consumers are the following. For operators, it means at a base level of interoperability between the networks and different devices, and even between different devices and other IP communication services is assured at a base level. For consumers, well, the benefits are largely hidden, but what it does mean is that IP communication services are there on the device and they work well. The status of IoT testing for the latest joyn BlackBird release is as follows. The joyn BlackBird release was split into two components. The testing for the first part of the release was completed earlier this year. For the second part, we're almost complete with all of the top device providers, and we expect completion by the end of September. The Common Core specification that is being developed will affect the IoT process quite a lot. Until now, our IoT process has been based upon the joyn service profile, which predefines a set of services and features. The Common Core specification, on the other hand, defines a number of different features from which a profile can be drawn. So, the joyn crane profile will be a specific set of features drawn from the Common Core feature set, and we shall define the IoT process for that. However, an operator group may decide to draw upon a different set of features from the Common Core feature set to define another service profile. And our IoT process will need to be flexible and comprehensive enough to cope with these different service profiles that we may see. With the focus on native implementations, the GSMA is helping device vendors bring their latest products to market in three different ways. Firstly, by providing high-level requirements for devices and IP communication services equipment. Secondly, by providing clear service descriptions as per the Common Core feature set and the service profiles that come from that. And finally, by continuing to provide the IoT process, which will ensure interoperability of devices and networks and other IP communication service components. What are the other things the IoT group can do to help operators launch interoperable IoT services? Well, we will continue to offer the IoT accreditation process to ensure interoperability between devices and networks and other IP communication services. However, in addition to this, we've also developed a toolkit of various assets which can assist operators progressing their launches and then interoperability with other operators. Within this toolkit, we include template project plans, we include key information that operators require in order to implement the services rapidly, and finally, we offer management and expert services to operators to assist them moving forward in particular areas of their implementation.